Good morning, trading world. It is May 4th, 2020, and this is the pre-market outlook. Uh, let's get back to the main chart here with the levels. We will start with the NQ. Uh, Today, even though indicators give uh, short-term bullish sentiment and intermediate is bearish sentiment, and then the longer term is still more bullish on the sentiment. It's still risk is to the downside, so you have to be very careful because if we break through some zones today on the bottom end, it could be game over. So let's get to those zones. We're going to start with support on the NQ. The Jack support level is 86.35. Queen support level is 86.10. King support level is 85.56. So 85.56 could be very, very important today. With that breaking, it really tells us we're getting back into seeing some sell side activity. With that breaking, and depending on how much volume we see today, it could really be a telltale sign that the sellers are back in the market. Pertinent levels in between. Um, on the support side, the first one we have is 86.21, which is down about here. The next one is 86.02, which is down about here. And after that, there's 85.80, which is right about there. And then 8,500, which is all the way down here. You have the 8,500 right there. 8,500 to this 84.98. That's really the game over zone right there, breaking that. All right, let's go to resistance. Jack resistance level today is 86.78. Queen resistance level is 86.89. And King resistance level is 87.09. Pertinent levels in between on the resistance side. We have 86.67, which is right about here. Then we have 86.97, which is actually very important, which is all the way about there. And then we have 87.18, which is right about there. And then if we get really outrageous, we have 87.43 up here. Another quick note, because I am expecting a pop back up, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, but it's not, I don't think it'll be long lived. It'll just be that a pop, which will give you chances to get short, especially on the option plays. And that encroachment area, which is where if we do get up there, I would definitely be looking to put on another option position, which is going to be 87.55, which is way up here. So that's it for the NQ. can show it again on the intraday chart so you can see more of the zones and see what's active, because these are the zones we're chopping in between right now. And if we make a breakout, it could be down to the downside, but you see all the resistance that we have above that is pretty close together. And I do see a pop back up, and we'll test this median average, which it right now is at 87.03. But by the time we make it to opening or the first hour trade, it could be down here near 8,700 flat. So that's where I see things headed for today. But we will keep an eye on certain metrics because things are definitely trending down. It seems like to start, we're just waiting on the sellers to show up and kick this thing off rolling again. But at the same time, I definitely can see us kind of fluctuating in a range bound zone, which could be that low of 85.56 or that 84 or 8,500 area, somewhere around there, and then a pop back up, because I could see us hovering in this zone for a while. I'm not saying that that's what's going to happen, but the indications are here that we could be range bound for a while. So it wouldn't surprise me if so. And to protect myself, the options that I have or that I have been positioning myself in, they should have plenty of theta to make it to a point where I can get out of it and get back in if necessary. But this is a minimum of 40 days theta, just in case we bounce around. If we hit lows today and things turn around and I see the right signs, I could possibly take profits on some positions and then try to re-enter them once we get a bounce back up. So that is what I see. Those are the markets, pretty much the NQ. Everything's going to be moving about the same. The NQ is actually catching up to the Russell. One of the things that you're going to see right now in this kind of just chop period is just rotation. It's not that money is coming out of the market, it's just rotating into different sectors. So that's going to be the reason we get this, another reason we get this chop. So again, be careful, make sure your risks are defined, be safe, and wishing you profitable trading.